And it's a different kind of work day this Friday morning for hundreds of volunteers all around central Indiana as they take part in the United Way Day of Caring. We'll show you how they're going to transform this lot this morning. We're out at the work site now. I want to introduce you to Linda Hyduke. She's with Community partnering with United Way, and they are going to do something so neat out here. Good morning, Linda.
Good morning, Vanessa. How are you?
Good. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's listen and hear from you about what today's project entails.
Well, today's project from Community Hospital is coming together so that we can do an outdoor learning experience for the children here at the preschool. It is to help them enhance their education. And Community, their volunteer spirit is to give back to the communities. That's our mission. So this is something that we're very excited. We have over 200 employees that will be coming and giving of their time and talent over the next 2 days. And we also have partnered with vendors, Alderson Commercial Group and Dave Powers Architect and Brickman, and they're all helping. And again, everybody's just giving of their time and talent and their treasures. So we're going to have a slide here that we're building. We're building a walking path for the kids in a labyrinth kind of setup. There's going to be a bike path so they can use their motor skills and get around. We're going to build a shed that's going to replicate kind of a house with a porch so they can have a play area and kind of a theater style thing that they can do. So there's going to be quite a few things. We're going to build some flower gardens and some planting gardens so that the kids can come back even and plant with their parents. So we're pretty excited.
A lot of work to be done, but the coolest thing is you're going to wrap this project up pretty quickly. What's the timeline?
Well, we are anticipating that we're going to be done by between 12 and 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So we're hoping that today we're going till 4 o'clock. Everybody's starting to gather. We're going to start it off at 8 o'clock. A lot of hard work, but we've got team captains. We've got everybody already primed and prepped and ready to go. So I think it's going to be pretty exciting, and we're going to see things happening very quickly.
Thank you so much, Linda, for joining us this morning, guys. And as she said, we'll be out here, too, throughout the morning, kind of watching this transformation happen, all part of United Way's Day of Caring. There are more than 60 other job sites. So if you're looking around the city, you're driving by, seeing a lot of people hard at work, that's what they're up to. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Hopefully you can get a lot done before the heat really ramps up, which is
90. Ooh.
Well, no doubt it is a gorgeous morning out here, and it's going to be a beautiful day here in Indianapolis. But for hundreds of United Way volunteers, it's going to be a day of caring, and their caring is going to lead to some good things for those in early education. Let's talk more about this with Vanessa McClure, who joins us now live to tell us about it. Hey, Vanessa.
Good morning, Ray. Yeah, a fun day of work for these folks here from Community Health Network taking part in United Way's Day of Caring. We're here at Bethany Daycare, and I want to introduce you to Carrie Wilson with Community. Carrie, talk to me about what you guys are going to be doing today.
We are so excited, Vanessa. We have 200 plus volunteers that are going to be here for the next 2 days, creating an outdoor play and learning space for the kids here at Bethany.
It's really cool to kind of look around and see. Right now it's just a mound of dirt, but we know that this is going to be something fun and educational, right, for these children?
It is, absolutely. Studies have shown that kids who can kind of get out and mimic what they're learning in the classroom outside with music and nature and developing large motor skills is really going to benefit them as they learn and grow.
So much fun stuff. We've looked at the earth slide, and we're actually getting a look right now at some of these little guys. What's it like to know that your day today and tomorrow will have a lasting impact on some of these little lives?
It's really meaningful, and I tell you, it's who we are. It serves our mission. The people that are coming together today are a part of our volunteer initiative, Serve 360, and it's about serving our communities not only inside our walls, but outside as well.
And it's a gorgeous day to get outside your walls. Thank you so much for joining us, Carrie, this morning. And guys, like we mentioned, this is all part of United Way's Day of Caring. We've got 1,800 volunteers scattered at more than 60 sites around the Circle City and the surrounding area. So if you see people out there getting dirty, building stuff today, that's what it's all about. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Well, getting dirty for a good cause. Many volunteers are going to be rolling up their sleeves today for the United Way Day of Caring.
This year, main focus of that group is early childhood education. And Vanessa McClure is live now on the south side to show us more on this project that's underway right now.
Good morning, Angela. Yeah, we've already seen so much progress out here at Bethany Daycare, and I want to introduce you to Heather Gurton with the United Way. Heather, what are we seeing right now? What are we building?
So right now we're building an outdoor learning center, which otherwise known as a playground, but it's so much more because there's a lot of opportunity out here for teachers to work with kids and build their academic development too.
We are seeing a lot of volunteers hard at work. What is it like to see this turnout, this effort?
It's emotional, really. It means a lot just for United Way to be able to have this connection, but to be able to make so much progress in a short amount of time means a lot for this center in particular, because it means they're going to be able to move up the state's past equality rating system. So the work that they're doing today actually means that they're going to get a new level rating sometime soon.
And that means better for kids and families, right?
It is all about what the quality of the child care is available, and the better care that's available for those kids earlier, the better. It increases their school readiness, so that's what this really means for them.
And we know what we're seeing here is incredible to watch just this morning, but this is not the only site. Day of Caring is happening everywhere. Talk to me about the big picture.
Sure. So every year, United Way hosts Day of Caring and partners with other organizations around the city. And this really means hundreds and hundreds of people in central Indiana are coming out, helping their community agencies, partners that really need some sprucing up. It can be as simple as helping touch up some paint, helping clean in an agency like a Big Brothers Big Sisters, who may not, these are the things that they typically don't get to do because they're working with kids and working with people who really need the services. So Day of Caring means so much to our community, and we're so grateful every year people always turn out, throw in their time and their talents to really make a difference for everybody in the community, and every year it's just amazing to watch.
Thank you so much for joining us, Heather. Yeah, guys, they estimate $225,000 worth of just volunteer time alone in donations this year. So a pretty incredible effort underway. We're going to watch it really transform throughout the afternoon. They're going to wrap up the whole thing by tomorrow. We'll send it back to you in the studio.